Hey, it's Jack here, and today we're going to unbox our second box of Top Star Wars Holocron series. Just like last time, we're going to be using a Kayla Cummings K-Pop Zombie Edition knife to open our box. Before we get started, I'd like to give a shout out to Sith Lordy, who told me about these great cards, to Blowout Cards for shipping them to me, and to Kingdom Comics for telling me about the tidbits of information about individual serial numbers of the cards. Pretty neat. Thank you, guys. If you remember from our first video, we got 2 orange cards. What Kingdom Comics pointed out to me after I published the video was on the back of each of these cards, they are individually serial numbered. So you can see with this card, it is number 98 out of 99, and that is right here in the bottom corner. Again, a breakdown on this, there's 8 cards per pack, 18 packs per box, and 12 boxes per case. Number 1's already starting off good with a Rey card. Omera. Oh, Jar Jar Binks. Lando Calrissian. Animated Anakin Skywalker. Oh, we get our first foil card, which is a Chewbacca card. And we get a Bespin Planet card. Hondo. Finn. Mayfield. There's a young Boba Fett. Candel. Oh, and there's a green Poe Dameron. Got another foil card of General Grievous and Jakku. We got C-3PO, young Han Solo, another Han Solo, Harrison Ford's Han Solo, the Armorer from Mandalorian, a Rose. Oh, there's a green Yoda, a foil Anakin Skywalker, and we've got Agent Kloss as our planet. To make note of this, we've got, just like in our last pack, there's a wider card here. Last time we had a wider card, it was the autograph card. So there may be an autograph card in this pack. Let's find out. General Hux. There's a Yoda, standard Yoda. General Leia. Captain Rex. R2-D2. Savage Opress. Grief. There's Zeb. There's a green Zeb. There's a green Yoda. Oh, we got a Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsaber. So there was no autograph this time, but the lightsaber card was cut a little wider. Therefore, it is there. And that is a standard lightsaber card. What I found out from the last video is if it's a special lightsaber card, there will be an individual serial number on the bottom of it. We have Chewbacca, the client. Senator Palpatine, Master Codebreaker, and we've got a couple green cards, and we've got yet another Anakin Skywalker. We got him in our last pack, so that's a duplicate. Let's just check and make sure. Nope, he's just a regular lightsaber card. So we IG-11, Wicket, Dengar, Darth Maul, Tarful. Green Zam card. Oh, we've got ourselves an orange card here. Anala, Sakura, and there is a Luke Skywalker lightsaber card. So this pack was pretty good. Let's check out her number on the back, being very careful. And she is number 51 of 99. We've got a Chewbacca, Grand Moff Tarkin, Darth Sidious, Supreme Leader Snoke. There's a Chewbacca with a gas mask. We got Vikril, who is a Knight of Ren. Zori Bliss, that is a foil card. And we've got the Trap on Bespin. This pack, we get a Captain Andor, C-3PO, Sabine. Feels like there's 2 stuck together. It's not Zuckuss. Fifth Brother, Snap Wexley, and Wexley is a green card. And we got Clone Troopers Phase 1, which is also a green card, and our planet card. We've got Embo, Forlom, Director Krennic, Zam. Oh, we've got an autograph card. That one just popped out at us. Heathcoth is our character. Chris Edgerly is our actor. So we have a autograph card and it's individually numbered. Now this one is, there's 500 of these, so this is number 48 of 500 on this autograph. Very nice. All right, we got Sith Trooper, Sebla. Oh, there's another Rey card. C-3PO, Darth Maul, a Green Dexter. There's another foil card, a POW, and we've got another lightsaber card. So we've got pretty good on this pack here. We've got a foil card and a lightsaber card. We've got the Emperor, Clone Troopers, regular card, Vicryl, C3. This pack seems short. This pack is short. This pack only got 6 cards. You're supposed to get 8. Only got 6 cards in this pack. How crazy is that? C-3PO Green, Supreme Chancellor Palpatine in the foil, and a Planet Hoth. But yeah, this pack seemed light when I opened it. Very light. Only got 6 cards. This is the 7th Sister, R2-D2, Trojan, Dexter regular card, Snap Wexley again, R2-D2 green, Satine green, and we've got our Mustafar as our planet. In our next pack here, we got Queen Amidala, General Leia, Kylo Ren, the Mandalorian, nice looking card there, Laura Santika, the Emperor in green, Trajan in green, and we have our Occupation of Mimban. We have Lando, Hera, Baze, Poggle the Lesser. This one's flipped upside down. That's weird. That's just a regular card. It was flipped upside down in the back. A green Beaumont and a foil R2-D2. And we got another lightsaber. So we have Chopper. There's a Jawa, Dryden, Captain Panka, Poe, Captain Rex in green. There's another foil card of C-3PO. And we've got a 6th lightsaber card. Pack, we have a different Rey card. There's Ura. There's Obi-Wan Kenobi, R2-D2, C-3PO, a green Moff, a green Lando, and our last one is Millennium Falcon, new owner. Okay, next pack we have Tion, there's Saw, there's Poe, there's her, there's Commander Cody, there's a green card of Hera, green card of R2-D2, and Exegol is our planet. So that one's kind of just a normal pack with a couple green cards in there, but there are 8 cards in there, as it should be. Okay, we have a Yoda card, Anakin Skywalker animated, Ushur, Supreme Chancellor Palpatine, C-3PO, a green C-3PO, Jango Fett, and our last card, reunited with the Millennium Falcon. Lightsaber cards are 1 in every 3 packs. There's 18 packs, therefore there are 6 lightsaber cards. These are standard lightsaber cards. There are inserted cards that are parallels that are orange, green, black, and so forth. These are just the standard cards. On the foil cards, there's 1 in every 2 packs. We've got 9. Perfect. That equals out. Even with the shorted pack we got with 6 cards in it rather than 8, we still got our foil inserts of 9. For our green parallels, we had 25 total cards. Don't know what the count is, how many per pack you're supposed to get or how many per box, but the green we had 25. We're able to get an orange card, and orange cards are 1 in every 22 packs, and we happen to get that one of those in this pack or in this box, and that one is numbered number 51 of 99. Lastly, we had our autograph card of Eth Koth, and that's autographed by Craig Edgerly. Really nice looking card. It's a 1 in 500, so it's not a rare autograph by any means, but it is autographed all the same. This is individually numbered at number 48 of 500. If you are interested in any of these cards, let me know. Reach out to me in the comments. We'll work something out, get the cards to you. I'm a collector, but I don't need all of these cards. There's a couple I'm going to keep, but if you're interested in any of them, let me know, and we'll work something out. Well, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did bringing it to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future content. We'll catch you on the next one.